Welding. Have you ever tried to bind two pieces of metal together seamlessly? Welding is the process of using electricity. You have a positive and a negative. And power. Always prepare your metal first by using an angle grinder. Your ground clamp. It provides the negative side of the welder, so you would like to hook it onto clean metal. It's very important. Like so. This is a stick welder. This is called an electrode. You take your electrode and then you put it in here like this, and then this is the positive end of your welder. I don't know about you, but I like my vision, so I would recommend a welding mask. Rust has affected the integrity of this frame of the rear of this vehicle, so we're adding metal to it to strengthen it. That's what you call a tack. Now, tack welding is good when you want to just put your metal in the right position before you do the actual bead. So I want to tack it up. You may be wondering about what the 83 means. Well, that's the temperature of the amount of electricity that's running through your wire. If you notice that, like what I just noticed, that you're burning holes in the metal, your temperature's too hot and you need to turn it down. That's how you turn down. Got that one. While welding, it's important to keep your nutrition up. Make sure to drink plenty of coffee and breakfast sandwiches. One of the most crucial things about welding is good body mechanics and posture. You see my tire stop I have underneath my head right here? Very important because your neck will start to hurt because of the heaviness of your mask. Especially when you're welding upside down. I recommend welding gloves.
Welding gloves.
It's not a brush. Neither is like a brush.
That's what you call sticking. It's when you fail because you stink.